Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your online status on Telegram. If you value your privacy and want to stay incognito, we have a full guide to help you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Launch the Telegram app to access your account. Step 2. In the top left corner of the app, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security and tap on it. Step 4. Within the Privacy and Security settings, scroll down to the Privacy section. Look for Online Status and Last Seen and tap on it. Step 5. In the Online Status and Last Seen settings, you'll have different options to choose from. Tap on Nobody to hide your online status from everyone. By following these simple steps, you can effectively hide your online status on Telegram and maintain your privacy. Please note that hiding your online status means others won't be able to see when you're online, but it also means you won't be able to see their online status. Adjust the settings based on your preferences and requirements. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with hiding your online status on Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a private and discreet experience on Telegram,